Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Virgo placements. So yeah, your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong July. So yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items and charms. Okay, so yes, again, ito silang lahat. So, protection from evil eye. So, meron tayong ring. Okay, meron din tayong bracelets and necklace, no? So, okay, so ito sila. Ito yung ating necklace. So, ganyan. Okay. So, yes. Oo, yan. Ang ating evil eye necklace. So, lagi siyang nakatalikod, nahihiya. Oo. Yan, ha. This is unisex, by the way. Ano ba? Oo, so, yes, there you go. Okay. So, our evil eye necklace. Protection, okay, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, so yeah, unisex. And yung ating dalawang evil eye bracelet. So yung isa natin is yung garter eye, so ganyan siya. Okay, so ganun yung kanyang pendant. And ito naman yung ating, ang tawag dyan, adjustable. So, available siya in red strings. Okay? So, meron din siyang initial po, ha, na inilalagay kami. And, yes, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet with citrine. Okay? With citrine stone. So, ganyan siya. Okay? So, there. Shining, shimmering, splendid. So, okay. So, yeah, meron siyang citrine. Pwede siyang gamitin sa business. Pwede siyang gamitin sa trabaho. Okay? Kasi citrine is, yeah, they're like money magnet. So, kung saan man ikaw ay merong pinagkakapirahan, yeah, pwede mo siyang gamitin doon, no? So, para makatawag pa ng mas marami. No, yun po. And, yeah, hindi lang pampamilya, pang sports pa. Anyway, yeah, pwede siya sa unisex. Okay, basta ilalagay nyo lang po sa red pouch. Okay, I need your real name here. Okay po. And yes, yung ating granter necklace. So si granter is made to order, by the way. And yeah, this is unisex. And syempre, again, taga-grant lang po, ha, hindi siya yung magmamanifest for you. Ikaw na yung magmamanifest, siya lang yung mag-grant. So, you have to protect kung ano man yung mga minamanifest mo sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng mga evil eye protections. Okay? Kasi mga nasasabot tayo sa atin kapag binabato tayo ng evil eye is yung mga nasa frequency. Ano ba yung nasa frequency? Isa na doon yung mga minamanifest mo. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung sino nagbibigay ng evil eye sa atin. Hindi namimili ng evil eye. So, pwede nga kapamilya mo, nanay mo, tatay mo, kapatid mo. Okay? Pusa mo. Yeah, 'di ba? Lagi naka-side eye yun yung mga pusa, no. Anyway, so, 'di ba? Lalo na yung mga kaaway mo. Ano pa, 'di ba? So, yung atin namang pangtanggal MALAS. So, pantanggal alat o yung ating cord cut. Okay, so tatanggalin niyan yung mga nagbibigay sa inyo ng hindi magandang energy. Pwede sa business, pwede sa bahay, yung mga ganyan. So, pantaboy. Okay? So, nag-iisip ako ng pang-cleanse kasi may mga nagtatanong. May nagtatanong kung paano ba daw magka-cleanse whatsoever. So, pag-iisipan natin. Okay? So, anyway, so let's start the reading, Virgo. Baka masyado na kayo natatagalan. Nakakahiya naman. So, Virgo placements. So, in general, anong kailangan mong malaman, Virgo? Again, kung meron pong tanong, ha, message lang sa akin pong FB page. Wag sa comment section. Baka scammers, ang mag-reply sa inyo. Sige. So, let's see. In general, what's for you? What's for our Virgo placements? Ngayong July, anong kailangan mong malaman? Virgo, anong kailangan mong malaman this July? Ooh, this is nice. This is money coming in. Abundance. Lock na natin to. I-lock na natin to. Oo, kunin natin to. So, ito. Yeah. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles, that is talking about abundance, prosperity, money. Okay, security. Yeah. Financial freedom, mga ganyang bagay, okay? So, there could be money coming in this July for you. Claim it. What's with this Nine of Pentacles? Basta may pera ang mga Virgo ngayong July. Magkakapera. Oo. So, anong meron? The Eight of Cups. Wow. Oo. May progress ako nakikita. Ha? Progress. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Ang ganda nito. Yeah, syempre. Hindi lock na natin, no? Lock natin tong energy to. Maganda to. So, Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups. This is elevate. Elevating the status pagdating po sa kaperahan in general, kung ano man yung mga pinagkakaperahan mo. So, more on sales, more on clients, customers, mga ganyan. Okay? So, pataas ang rate ngayong July para sa'yo, Virgo, when it comes to kaperahan. Okay? So, may kauntian na freedom pagdating sa pera ngayong July ang mga Virgo. This is nice. Yes. Okay, what else for you, Virgo? What else? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Anong kailangan na... Kasi sinasabi ito, huwag ka magmadali. Huwag magmadali. Iwasan magmadali ngayong July. Ano tong Knight of Swords in reverse? The Ten of Pentacles, yes. Okay, so sabi ko nga, may perang parating. Pwede yung paggastos mo, wala rin namang humpay. Ha? Walang humpay. The King of Pentacles in reverse, yeah. I think some of you, hindi nyo mamamanage ng tama. Okay, yung kaperahan nyo ngayong July. Kasi siyempre, ano, yung energies, yeah, parang ano ang tawag dyan, bubuhos lahat. I-claim nyo to. I-claim nyo. Pero sana i-manage nyo ng tama. Kung sino man ang makakakuha nitong energy na to. I-manage nyo ng tama. Okay? Making of Pentacles in reverse, meron ditong Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, this is gastos. Gastos, gastos. Walang humpay na paggastos. The Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay? So, hindi naman masama na gumastos at pera nyo yan. Pero, yes, again, nasa sa inyo. No? So, less work. May narinig ako, less work. What else for Virgo placements? What else in general? Anong kailangan mong malaman ngayong July, Virgo? The Page of Pentacles. Okay. So, I think this is like an energy of pasimula. Mga pasimula. Okay? Na pwedeng parang gugulo at gugulo sa utak mo. I don't know. I don't know bakit. What's with this Page of Pentacles? The Five of Pentacles. There could be an earth sign like you. Nasasabihin kong parang naghihintay, nag-iiyak. Parang nandun yung word na parang nagsusuma muna. Wow, alternary, no? Oo. So, the Page of Wands. Somebody wants your attention here. Okay? Meron ditong gusto ng attention mo. I don't know who. Somebody younger. Yeah, the Hanged Man. You're in their head. Could be Pisces. Let's see. What's with this Five of Pentacles? I think, meron ditong gustong mag-reach out ngayong July. Or maybe just thinking of you. Yeah, the Five of Swords. They're in their head. Some of them, they could throw you or give you mixed signals this July. Okay, the Two of Cups. This is energy of connection. Okay, there's blockages here. The Sun. Wanting to see you. Yung energy mo is like magnetic. They feel drawn. Parang ganon. Could be Leo. Yeah. Somebody's putting or giving interest sa'yo this July, I think. So there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Ganda ng kaperahan ha, ng mga Virgo. Yes. Oo. So, let's see. Tungo naman tayo sa person on your mind. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, who is this person you're thinking of? Let's see. Who are they? Who is this person? Virgo. Who is this? Who is this? Justice. Could be a Libra. Somebody na pwedeng may legal background, legal matter. What is this justice? They want justice maybe from you, or yeah, let's see. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So may nangyaring unfinished business, I think, or there could be a missed opportunity with this person. They feeling as maybe a strong connection. So may nangyaring missed opportunity sa inyo. Yeah, the Ten of Wands in reverse is here. So may nangyaring pagsuko. Pwedeng isinuko ka ng taong to. Some of you, nakitaan ka na ng pwedeng ikaw na yung makakasama niya forever, pero hindi nangyari. There is separation. The Eight of Swords is here in reverse. May nangyaring pag-release. May nangyaring pag-iwan. May nangyaring pag-iwas or paglayo. So, person on your mind is somebody na nagkaroon kayo ng missed opportunity with. Let's see. What is their emotion right now? The Five of Swords. Some of them, they're conflicted, confused. They're in their head. Why the Five of Swords? The King of Wands. They still want this, I think. They still want this connection. Some of them, may chance na they're trying to connect sa kung kanino. Kasi gulong-gulo siya. Kung makikita nyo to, sa Five of Swords na to, ang dala-dala nito is Three of Swords. There's pain. Bit pa rin niya. Yung pain, yung hurt. Okay? So, they're trying to escape from that by connecting kung kanino. We have here the King of Wands. But yeah, there's still nililingon ka pa rin from behind, I think. Okay? Nawala yung balance, nawala yung sabihin nating focus ng taong to in general. Let's see, what's their next action pagdating sa'yo, Virgo? What is their next action? The World in reverse. So, wala. Okay, and still the unfinished business is kumakaway. And the Knight of Swords. Seven of Wands in reverse. King of Swords. Masyadong maraming pending dito sa sitwasyon nyo. Pending. So, next action niya is hindi sabihin yung mga dapat sabihin. Hindi gawin yung mga dapat gawin. I don't know why. Okay? Some of them, ang dahilan nila is hindi na dapat. Hindi na dapat isubok pa. Hindi na dapat pilitin. Yun ang naririnig ko sa kanila. Even though, yes, naging miss opportunity to, wala akong magagawa. Okay? Pero yeah, still attached pa rin kayo energetically ng taong to. Yep. Okay. So, sino pa? Who else is thinking? Oh, I mean, the person on your mind, Virgo. The person on your mind. Sino pa? The person on Virgo's mind. Who are they? The Four of Cups. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They're sad, I think. The Four of Cups. And the Ten of Pentacles. Some of them, they have money. Okay, they have money. I don't know bakit may Four of Cups dito. Some of them, they have no time for love or connections. Just focusing on their money, on their career, stability, maybe. Okay? Andun yung energy na sad siya. Maybe hindi nila maramdaman yung sabihin nating nararamdaman ng isang tao every time na nasa isang connection. Parang may kulang. Yeah. Mahilig mang-reject itong taong to. Some of them. Mahilig silang mang-reject. Or, andyan yung pagiging overthinker niya. That is why they're rejecting. Okay? Kaya puro pera. Some of them. Ano bang meron sa sitwasyon nyo, Virgo? The Five of Swords again. In reverse right now. Ayaw nila ng sakit sa ulo. Ayaw nila ng stress, I think. Some of you, this person, they're making fake scenarios. They have these fake scenarios in their head. Some of you, may nakuha ko ibang energy kasi dito na meron ng mga inilalarawan na itong taong to pagdating sa utak nila na pwedeng ikaw na yung gusto niya makasama. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, ha. Kumukuha ako ng maraming energy. May chance kasi na siya to, kaya hindi mo alam. Pwedeng nasa utak niya lang to, kaya hindi mo alam. Okay? So, overprotective yung person. They are jealous. Some of them, they're an overthinker, making fake scenarios. Okay, so yun nga. The Five of Swords in reverse. Let's see. The situation is the Five of Swords in reverse and the Fool in reverse. They're planning. Ayaw kasi ng taong to na sabihin nating may masasayang na mga aksyon if ever. May takot siya na baka mamaya kung gagawa man siya agad-agad ng isang desisyon is mali pala. May ganun siya. Ang nangyayari pa dito, masyado nang matagal ang paghihintay. Ang iba sa inyo, pagdating sa kanya, you are waiting for this person na totally mag-commit or mag-settle down. Some of you, ang dami nating energy na nakukuha. Ang dami, kunin nyo lang po yung magre-resonate. Hindi po lahat magre-resonate. Kung mag-resonate man, di good. No? Lahat. So, situation, masyado ng pagpaplano to. Kasi iniiwasan niya na magkaroon ng conflict or issue whatsoever. The Emperor in reverse, the Nine of Pentacles. Yun nga lang, ang isang nangyaring failure dito, yeah, there's failure here, is the over-planning ng taong to pagdating sa connection nyo. over planning. Kaya some of them, ang inuuna puro pera, negosyo, maging stable, is gusto nila maging perfect itong connection nyo na to. Yun nga lang, some of them, hindi sila ganun kahanda or ayaw nila na parang jump na lang sila sa connection na to and then mag-settle down tayo, magpakasal tayo and then bahala na after. Ayaw nila nun. Oo, gusto nila muna na kung sila ay enter sa connection is dapat settle na sila. Like, okay na. Lalo na financially. Okay? And the King of Wands Universe. Ayaw pa nito, ng taong to. Okay? So, ayaw nito na parang siya ay masasabihan ng ganto, ganyan, makikitaan ng ayaw niya kasing makaramdam na hindi ka makukontento sa kanya. Ayaw niya nun. Ayaw niya ng rejection. Okay? Let's see, what is your emotion? What is your emotion for you, Virgo? The Five of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Yeah, may takot to na mawala ka actually. May takot. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Cups. May takot to kung ikaw man ay aalis whatsoever. Yeah, para tong yung nangyari nga ngayon is dumarating na sa parang nagiging failure na tong connection sa sobrang tagal. Okay? I think this person, he or she wants to provide sa connection. Ayaw niyang magmukhang walang silbi. Parang ganun. Okay? Meron silang gustong ipagmalaki, ipakita na they can. Okay? So, humantong sa failure or pwedeng humantong sa failure to kung magpapatuloy pa tong ganitong. So, ano advice for you, Virgo? What's the advice? What is the advice for Virgo placements? The Seven of Swords in reversed. So, this is telling the truth. Okay? Telling the truth. Addressing kung ano mga kailangan i-address. Yeah, and the Ten of Cups. Kung ikaw sa sarili mo, nakikita mo rin siya na gusto mo siya makasama like forever. Andyan dapat yung pagiging open. Okay? Andyan dapat yung hindi pagmamadali. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Wands. Alam nyo, may patutunguhang maganda to. Yeah, kung marunong lang talaga kayong makipag-cooperate sa isa't isa. Okay? So, somebody dapat hindi makaramdam ng insecurities. Yes. Hindi dapat makaramdam yung isa ng insecurities dito. Secured dapat ang maramdaman, assurance. Yun ang mga dapat ipakita rito. Anyway, so there. Tayo tumungo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes. Syempre, di po ba, big help yun sa ating channel. Thank you sa mga nagsusupport hanggang ngayon. Okay, so Aries through Pisces. Aries, they're waiting for you. Taurus, they want collaboration. I'm hearing collaboration with this Taurus. I'm hearing parang energy ng challenge. Anyway, Gemini, they need you. Okay? They need you. Some of you, if this Gemini is always returning, they're moving on. Yeah. They need you to move on. Cancer, they don't see progress, or maybe you don't have progress or improvement with this Cancerian. Leo, what is this? They miss you. Some of them, may mga tinatago pa rin silang bagay na galing sa'yo. Pinapahalagahan ka pa rin, naghihintay. Virgo, codependency. Some of you, they miss the sex. Libra, parang naumay si Libra. Yeah, naumay. Parang wala nang gustong gawing effort. Scorpio, a missed opportunity. Or they felt yung word na the one that got away. Yun, mga ganon. Sagittarius, they're holding back, but yeah, they miss you. Capricorn, they want your attention. Aquarius, they like you. Crush ka ni Aqua. Pisces, they're being mysterious. There is silence. Yeah. Hindi sila open or available sa'yo. Okay? So there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Opo, hanapin nyo lang kung kayo ay nanonood sa YT. So again, yun lamang. Goodbye.